Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by x. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over x b over x plus 7. Next, we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about x plus number 7. So capital 8 multiplied by x plus number 7. About this one, it is missing about x. So capital B multiplied by x. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of x. About x, we have a plus b. About the numbers, we have 7 multiplied by 8. Now, we need to compare coefficient. We have x that is about number 1. So a plus b equals to number 1. And the numbers, we have 7, 8 equals to number 9. And now we create the system of equations. And now we can find the solution of a and b. So a that is about 9 over 7. And b that is about negative number 2 over 7. So we put a and b go back in here. So a that is about 9 over 7. B that is about negative number 2 over 7. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.